Hello friends, today we are at Kalchuri LNCT Group Incubation Center, which is at Lakshmi Narayan College of Technology, Bhopal, Raisen Road. So this is our Click Kalchuri LNCT Incubation Center. So we are having here our co-working space. Total it is a 70-seater incubation center, and let's have a visit or virtual tour of this Click LNCT. So let's begin with this. So this is our reception area. So where if startups or their teammates or any company comes to us, so they can have this lobby to have their visits and a personal meeting or any kind of thing they can schedule. And along with this, we are having a reception area. So our theme is to dream, create and inspire. So with this we want to support the startup and entrepreneurs of our ecosystem, and also our students which are with us. And apart from our students, entrepreneurs or startups from outside our Click LNCT or LNCT group, if they comes to us, we are having that incubated startup also with us. So let's have an inside visit of our Click LNCT. So it is total 70-seater co-working space we are having. Along with this, we are having a meeting room for personalized meetings, cafeteria for dining and other purpose, and also we are having few cabins for our staff and for startups also. Along with this, we are having innovation lab in which 3D printers are also with us, and we are having shared lab concept. For example, if a startup come to us, he want to or they want to develop prototype in pharmaceutical or other kind of field, then they can use our pharmacy lab. And if a startup come to us with from computer science and all those kind of fields, so we are having a total 30 Mac systems also, so that high tech developments of things can also be possible and feasible. So with me, my colleague is also here. So I welcome Professor Prakhar sir. He is also with me. So I am Dr. Anurag S.D. Rai, Director, Kalchuri LNCT Group Incubation Center, and Professor Prakhar Singh Bhadoria sir. He is also with us, and we are having a core team of incubation here. So these are our cabins in which we do our work and things. Along with this, for example, few prototyping is also available here. So these are few prototypes and products which are in MVP stage, developed by our student startups. So these kind of things also come to us, and we will help people to validate their idea by connecting them to industry experts also. So these are mandatory office space or requirements which we do. So in these cabins we will do our official works and all those kind of things. And this is our 70-seater co-working space. So I want to say that this is our whole area, and in this, for example, this is an incubation center. So we work for inspiring minds, for all those kind of things. So we give spaces to think and all those and discussions. So we are having bean bags and different kind of spaces for critical thinking and designing spaces. So these are bean bag area, critical thinking area, so that you can have this creative thinking space in which you can sit, you can discuss with your teammates, and you can design. And with these co-working seats, you can have your own desk to work and to develop your thing. So these are the thing. And along with that, we are having our boardroom also. So let's have a visit of our boardroom, sir. So this is our boardroom where startups or any other kind of meetings or pitching rounds or different kind of mentoring sessions can be scheduled. So this is our boardroom where we are doing many mentoring rounds and interactions with our startup, one-to-one mentoring sessions and other kind of things we are continuously doing. And along with this, we are having a small cafeteria for our startups and our team, so that they can have a fine dining area, and if any guest comes to us, they can also have this visit. So we are having this a small cafeteria inside our incubation center with coffee vending machines and all other kind of facility, and also it is connected with our main canteen also. So if we want to order something, then they can have those kind of delivery aspects. So it is a very beautiful kind of thing which is developed here. So it gives also a critical space to think and to learn also. Hello friends, so we are here at our 3D printing. Hello friends, so we are here at our 3D printing lab. So our 3D printer is extracting 3D work here and few 3D printed articles which we are having. So we are having our LNCT building object which we have printed from 3D printing, and we are also having pen stand, and this is one article for drone which our students have extracted. So this is our 3D printers which are extracting and are utilized for prototyping and MVP development, and similarly other labs are also attached with our incubation center for developing prototyping and other kind of aspects. So thank you. So this is a small visit of our Click LNCT, and with a motto to support entrepreneurship and startup ecosystem, with my teammate Professor Prakhar Singh Bhadoria sir and me, I will like to thank you peoples to give us an opportunity to make this a virtual tour for you peoples. We will also like to invite you in near future when things went well and everything will become normal. So please also do come to us and visit. Whenever you will visit Bhopal, please come to us and visit our Click LNCT and other facilities which we are having. So that's all from now, and we will have a small video of our 3D printing things which is also coming to us. So after this, so thank you and stay connected with us.
Thank you so much. Stay happy, stay safe.